long time.
Alright, we're back at the Chevron gas station. There's the car wash. That's by like 7-Eleven. The Mark 7 Touch-Free is out of service. Okay, it's dark. Now once fearless that door stays open. It's supposed to be a Dina's Quicksilver. There's McDonald's. It's a Top Stop. And we're going through it. And we're outside, we're trying to record a video. The camera side said no. It went out of space. Alright. Here's the Wash Road Razer. It saw bolts on the ground. It promised to be another one. They got rid of it. Okay, there's our ported TI. And I did a walk through it. Okay, here's the Wash Road Razer. There's our ported TI. Okay, there's our Oasis dryers. They glow. We still have a Bolts Wash car wash. There's a signage. And I did a walk through it. It's gonna say drive forward. They got the audio speaker. It's gonna say it. And now watch through it once that door stays open.
Thank you. Please pull forward slowly
Okay.
to the wash.
I don't hear the drive forward going on. That sucks. Alright. Ooh, it's
Okay,
gonna.
Here we go.
Alright.
Make sure all the
Num-
light go. Okay.
Now outside, I'll try to record a video here. The camera side said no. Oh, the drive forward light didn't went on.
No, it said, yes it does. It's over there.
Okay. I thought it was. Okay. Okay. The noise didn't go off. It didn't. The drive forward audio.
Yep, the stoplight went on.
Alright. It's got the Oasis dryers.
Mm-hmm.
I'm selected the Gorilla car wash, one at base.
Is this the first time you've been in this car wash?
Yes. Now while I was trying to record a video here, the side said no.
Yep,
Oh.
it said stop.
And it went out of space when I recorded a video with my phone. I was little. Oh, it's an Oasis dryers. And we're in a touchless.
Mm-hmm.
The dryer timer still works.
Yep.
It's broke. Right?
Yeah.
I can't roll the windows down.
No, We're
'Cause
on Wash World. This says it's a wash world.
number one side it was a Dina's Quicksilver.
Mm-hmm.
They had some stuffs on the ground. They got the Oasis dryers. They have an Oasis.
Uh-huh.
When I was trying to record a video here, I just side said no.
Did you walk through it and record the video?
Yes. And I just walked through it once the door stays open.
Yeah.
Because I didn't have shoes.
Yeah.
Because I probably walked bare feet in there. It's a Wash Road Razer.
Yep.
This used to be another one. I hear the noise.
Yeah.
There comes the noise. It's playing music.
It is?
It doesn't.
Oh, look, it says we're washing.
We're washing.
Yeah, before it had the light up, it was cleaning. Now it says washing.
I see the Oasis dryers. It's probably supposed to be a typhoon.
How
Number?
do you tell they're Oasis dryers?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we're doing triphone.
Yep.
We're doing try phone. They have a minus.
Mm-hmm.
And the windows are locked.
Yep. Oh, there's a car behind us.
There's a car.
Yeah, they'll be going in the car wash when we're done.
And they're gonna do an outside view of the car wash.
No, as soon as we're done here, we're just gonna go home.
Okay. Wait. There's a car behind us.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You're not videoing out the window. You're just videoing onto your feet.
Okay. I'm trying to get the video recording.
Oh, okay.
Last time when I was with Ty, come here and trying to get the video to record. And Ty said no.
No. Now we're on sealant.
Sealant. Because I can't do an outside view.
No.
We're in the Wash World Razer. It's a quick wrist.
Yeah.
They have a touch wrist. They have a Razer in the Typhoon. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
There's a dryer timer. So I get the Mr. Car Wash. And I
Yeah.
couldn't walk through because the way said
Oh,
no.
now we got spot free.
Because I tried to walk through the Mr. Car Wash because the way just said no. For me, I wouldn't walk through it because it's dangerous in there.
Yeah.
Okay? We should be doing
Now we
dryers
got spot freeze going on.
and dryers.
Then it'll say when to drive.
It's gonna tell us when it gets to the back. We still got these. When they have a,
X complete surface protected.
There's a
Applied
back.
when flashing.
it's a flashing white.
Yeah, there's the spot freeze.
Not gonna
flashing.
post this on YouTube
Okay.
before we get out. I can't walk in while people's in nuts. Second to Mr. Car Wash. When the way just said no, the permit won't walk through. Oh, there's a.
There we go.
They sound like the Bellinger air cannon dryers.
Yeah.
It sounds like the Dinas dryers. Oh, the dryer timer still works.
Yeah, it goes to 80 seconds.
And what's the i500 because of onboard dryers? It sound like the Bellinger air cannon dryers.
Yeah.
They have a wood dryers like the Patriot car
Yeah, we
wash.
got the Beast now clean. That's why I named this car the Beast.
The Beast.
Isn't that a good name for it?
And I can't get my bike wash in here. It could spray chemicals.
Yeah.
They did do an outside view. I would do an outside view next time.
That'll be dry enough.
Okay, it's dry.
Yep. Now we're gonna go home.
Alright. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, that will be.
Your stuff?
Okay, it just got cleaned. There's
all
no
clean.
damage in the car. Thank you. I need to plug my charger in
Okay.
because my phone is about to die.
Okay. Take your phone.
I'm just gonna plug it
Okay. Here.
because I gotta take my mask with me.
Oh, you don't have to have your